On number 2, I'm trying to solve by the quadratic formula. And my first step is to get everything onto one side and 0 on the other. So I want to add 2 to both sides. And then I want to identify my a, b, and c. So a is equal to 9, b is equal to 1 because there's an implied 1 there, and c is equal to 2. So my quadratic formula, I'm going to write it but with open parentheses where I see my variables. Okay, so a is going to go here and here. B is going to go here and here. And C is going to go here. So I want to now simplify this. -1 plus or minus square root of, and I like to type in that inside. And we get -71. And this is all over 18. Now the 71 I can't really simplify, but because there's that negative there, there's going to be an I in our answer. So -1 plus or minus square root of 71 times I over 18. And then let's split this up. So -1 over 18 plus or minus square root of 71 over 18 times I. Make sure that your I is not underneath the radical, because square root of I is a thing, but we want the I to be on the outside here. And again, if you want to separate these, it would be like this. So anytime you get a negative underneath the square root, then you are going to have an I in your answer.